Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 9 p.m. At 8:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Evergreen Park to near Pewtown, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Hammond, Gary, Tinley Park, Calumet City, Portage, Merrillville, Chicago Heights, South Shore, Roseland, Englewood, East Chicago, Schererville, Hobart, Lansing, Oak Forest, Crown Point, Harvey, Highland, Blue Island, Munster, Dothan, Park Forest, Homewood, and Alphen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Mostly cloudy. Waves 2 to 4 feet. Sunday, northwest wind.
This is West North G689 in Porter Township. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area.